Welcome to Stoic Inspirational. In today's video, we'll explore practical strategies for making money through the lens of Stoic philosophy. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an employee, or an investor, these timeless principles can help you achieve financial success without compromising your values or inner peace. At first glance, the pursuit of wealth and Stoic philosophy might seem at odds. However, when we dive deeper, we find that the principles of Stoicism can actually guide us towards financial success in a balanced and meaningful way. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and to let go of what we cannot. This mindset is crucial in the realm of personal finance. By concentrating on our actions and decisions, we can navigate the unpredictable world of money with greater clarity and calm. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." Defining success. First, we need to redefine success. In Stoic terms, success isn't measured by the amount of money we accumulate, but by our ability to live in accordance with our virtues. Seneca emphasized, "Wealth is the slave of a wise man, the master of a fool." To make money the Stoic way, start by setting clear, value-based financial goals. Instead of chasing wealth for its own sake, focus on how financial security can help you lead a virtuous life. For example, you might aim to earn enough to support your family, give back to your community, or pursue passions that align with your values. And mindful spending. Stoicism encourages mindfulness in all aspects of life, including how we spend our money. By practicing mindful spending, we can avoid the pitfalls of consumerism and focus on what truly matters. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, does this align with my values? Will this bring long-term happiness or just temporary pleasure? Is this a need or a want? By being intentional with our spending, we can save more money and invest in things that genuinely enhance our well-being and contribute to our long-term goals. Building wealth with purpose. To make money as a Stoic, we must build wealth with a sense of purpose. This means choosing careers, businesses, or investments that not only generate income, but also align with our values and contribute positively to society. Epictetus taught, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." Consider pursuing opportunities that allow you to leverage your skills and passions in a meaningful way. Whether it's starting a business that solves a real problem, working for a company that shares your values, or investing in socially responsible ventures, aligning your financial pursuits with your purpose can lead to both wealth and fulfillment. Embracing minimalism. Embracing minimalism is another Stoic strategy for financial success. By simplifying our lives and focusing on what truly matters, we can reduce unnecessary expenses and save more money. This doesn't mean living in deprivation, but rather finding joy in simplicity. Seneca reminds us, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor." Minimalism can help us break free from the cycle of endless consumption and find contentment in having enough. This shift in mindset allows us to direct our resources towards what truly enriches our lives, whether it's experiences, relationships, or personal growth. Investing wisely. Investing wisely is a crucial component of making money the Stoic way. This involves making informed, deliberate decisions and maintaining a long-term perspective. As Stoics, we understand that the market is unpredictable and that we cannot control its fluctuations. However, we can control our responses and strategies. Diversify your investments to spread risk and choose assets that align with your values. Avoid the temptation to chase quick profits or get swayed by market hype. Instead, focus on building a solid, diversified portfolio that can withstand market volatility and grow steadily over time. Maintaining emotional balance. Emotional balance is key to making sound financial decisions. Stoicism teaches us to remain calm and rational, even in the face of uncertainty and adversity. By practicing emotional regulation, we can avoid impulsive decisions that can harm our financial well-being. When faced with financial stress, take a moment to breathe and reflect. Remind yourself of the Stoic principles of acceptance and control. Focus on what you can do to improve your situation and let go of what is beyond your control. This approach helps you stay grounded and make more deliberate, thoughtful decisions. Continuous learning and adaptation. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential for financial success. Stoicism encourages us to be lifelong learners, constantly seeking knowledge and improving ourselves. In the financial world, this means staying informed about market trends, developing new skills, and adapting to changing circumstances. By embracing a growth mindset, we can navigate the complexities of the financial world with greater confidence and competence. This proactive approach allows us to seize opportunities, mitigate risks, and build a more secure financial future. Giving back. Giving back is a fundamental aspect of making money the Stoic way. True wealth is not just about accumulation, but also about contribution. By sharing our resources and helping others, we create a positive impact and find deeper meaning in our financial success. As Epictetus said, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Consider how you can use your wealth to support causes that matter to you, whether it's through donations, volunteering, or investing in social enterprises. Giving back not only benefits others, but also enriches our own lives by fostering a sense of purpose and connection. Cultivating gratitude. Cultivating gratitude is a powerful practice for financial well-being. By appreciating what we have, we can find contentment and reduce the constant desire for more. Gratitude shifts our focus from scarcity to abundance, helping us see the wealth that already exists in our lives. Take time each day to reflect on the positive aspects of your financial situation. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small, and express gratitude for the opportunities and resources you have. This practice can help you maintain a positive and resilient mindset, even during challenging times. Incorporating Stoic principles into our financial lives can lead to a more balanced, fulfilling approach to making money. By focusing on what we can control, practicing mindfulness, cultivating virtues, and giving back, we can achieve financial success without compromising our inner peace. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Stoic Inspirational for more insights on living a Stoic life. Together, we can build a community dedicated to cultivating tranquility, resilience, and financial well-being.